Imagine watching your favorite shows anytime. Recording IPTV has become a game changer. Our top suggestion? 2TV for the best IPTV service out there. Now, before diving in, remember, support and guidance from Nancy at 2TV can make your experience smoother. Check out the link in the description. To start recording, make sure your IPTV device is fully connected and your settings are optimized for the best quality possible without hiccups. It's all about those extra clicks. Trouble with settings? Don't worry. Our step-by-step visual guide takes away the guesswork, making it simple to configure your IPTV device for recording. As the recording runs flawlessly, relish in knowing you've harnessed the power of IPTV recording technology. Capture shows, movies, and never miss a moment. Congratulations! You've mastered IPTV recording. Transforming viewing habits is rewarding when armed with the right tools, proving technology can make lives simpler.